Did you know? The longest word in the English language is pneumone ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. It's a type of lung disease caused by inhaling very fine silicate or quartz dust. Did you know? Bubble wrap was originally invented to be wallpaper. In 1957, engineers Alfred Fielding and Mark Chavan created bubble wrap as a textured wall covering, but it eventually found its true calling as a packing material. Did you know? The Earth is slowing down? The planet's rotation is gradually decelerating at a rate of about 17 milliseconds per century, meaning that millions of years ago, days were shorter than 24 hours. Did you know? There's a giant cloud of alcohol floating in space. It's located near the constellation Aquila and contains enough alcohol to produce 400 trillion pints of beer. Of course, it's too far and too dangerous to reach, but it's fun to imagine. Did you know? Listening to music can physically alter your brain structure. Studies show that regularly playing music strengthens connections in the brain and can even increase its size, particularly in areas related to memory and hearing. Did you know? The polar ice caps are melting faster than ever before. Since the 1990s, Greenland and Antarctica have lost over 6.4 trillion tons of ice, contributing to rising sea levels. Did you know? Red is the first color a baby sees. Studies suggest that newborns start to distinguish colors within the first few weeks of life, with red being the easiest to perceive due to its high contrast. Did you know? William Shakespeare invented over 1,700 words. Some of the words we use every day, like bedroom, eyeball, and lonely, were first penned by the legendary playwright. Did you know? Time moves differently in space? Due to Einstein's theory of relativity, time passes more slowly for objects in strong gravitational fields. So technically, astronauts on the International Space Station age slightly slower than people on Earth. Did you know? The first paper money was created in China during the Tang Dynasty. Paper currency was introduced as a solution to the heavy weight of metal coins in trade and travel. Did you know? In Switzerland, it is illegal to own just one guinea pig. Guinea pigs are social animals, and Swiss law recognizes this by requiring owners to have at least two, so they don't get lonely. Did you know? The ancient Romans used urine as a mouthwash. The ammonia in urine was thought to disinfect and whiten teeth. While it sounds strange, it was a widely accepted practice in Roman times. Did you know? The largest dinosaur ever discovered was the Argentinosaurus. This massive herbivore was over 100 feet long and weighed around 100 tons, making it as heavy as a small airplane. Did you know? Humans have lost 90% of their body hair over the course of evolution. Scientists believe this change occurred as an adaptation to regulate body temperature and allow for better cooling through sweat. Did you know? The character of Yoda in Star Wars was originally going to be played by a monkey, but due to difficulties with handling a live animal on set, they switched to using a puppet, which became iconic.